Let's work on our sight word decodable story right here. It goes with the sight word see today. Okay, so before you do anything else, please turn to the back cover of the book right here, and you're going to write your name on the back. Okay, so I'm writing mine. You go ahead and write yours. Okay. Okay, my name is finished. Please make sure that you also have your plain green folder handy, because when you're done with this lesson, this little booklet is going to go into your plain green folder, okay? So again, we're working with the high frequency word see. This is the back cover where you write your name. We're going to turn it around to the front cover. Here it is right here. That is the front cover. And on this booklet, if you see, the title is at the top of the page. So go ahead and point to the title on your book. Okay, and we're going to read this together. It says, I see. And do you see the way there's a space in between there? So that is two words there, 1, 2. I see. So we're going to look at the little girl here. In the first picture here, she's saying, I see. What does she see? Okay, she sees something here, right, that she's looking carefully at. So let's read the sentence now. Make sure that sentence matches the picture. So this is the sentence at the bottom of the page, and you can see there's a little space in between each word. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4 words in this sentence, and there's the period at the end, okay? So let's read that. I see the worm, okay? And the little word worm is underneath the picture to help you read that word. Again, one more time. I see the worm. Does the picture match the sentence? Yes, it does, okay? So we're going to open the book. The spine, remember, is the folded part. So we're going to open the book to the next page, and you'll see it has a page 2 at the bottom. So now you see a little boy, and he's looking at this right here. What is that? That is a pumpkin. So it must be fall if the pumpkins are that big, right? So let's read our sentence at the bottom. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 words again. There's the period at the end, the capital letter at the beginning. Let's read that. I see the pumpkin. Again, one more time. I see the pumpkin. And he does. The little boy is seeing the pumpkin growing on the vine. Very exciting. Let's go to the next page, and here's another little boy. And he's looking in the garden, and this time it's not pumpkins, but there's something else growing here. Do you know what that is? You've eaten it lots, I'm sure. That is corn. You can see the way the corn is growing on the cobs on the tall corn stalks, whereas the pumpkins grow on the vine. Okay, let's read the sentence at the bottom. Count the words. 1, 2, 3, 4 words. There's the period, and there's the capital letter at the beginning. I see the corn. I see the corn. Okay. Then we're going to turn to the back cover, which is the last page of our story here. And we're going to see there's all the friends together. And what do we have there? There is some tomatoes growing here. There's the pumpkins, there's the corn. And where is this place? That is a garden, right? They have a very good harvest in their garden this year, and usually the harvest happens around fall time for these types of vegetables. Tomatoes can be a lot of the year. Pumpkins turn orange in the fall, and corn usually ripens in the fall. So let's go ahead and read this. We have our word we here, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 words in this sentence, little space in between each word, and the period at the end, capital letter at the beginning. So let's go ahead and read that. We see the garden. One more time. We see the garden. A good thing to see in the fall, right? Here, when you want to go look for pumpkins, you usually go to a pumpkin patch. So go ahead and start circling your sight words in this book. On the back cover, I found the word see once. I'm going to go back to the front cover. There's the word see right here. I'm going to circle it. Here's the word see right here. On the again. So there's 2 times it's on the front cover. Let's go to our middle pages. Right here is the word see. I'm going to circle it again. S-E-E-C. One more time. And that's it, okay? So after you're done finding and circling all of your sight words, you're going to find 5, okay? Then you're going to give yourself an exit ticket at the top. And then this goes into your green plain folder. This is the go back folder to Miss Clutie, go back to me. That's where you're going to put that in there for me, please. Close that up and we'll get ready for our next lesson.